Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can increase or decrease display resolution in laptop or PC. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, click the right side of your mouse and you can see display setting options. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see display resolution options. Click on it. So guys, here are different options, so you can select any resolution which is suitable for you. So for example, I am selecting this. So after that, click on keep changes. So in this way, here you can also increase or decrease display resolution. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.